All right, so let's make an origami frog out of a HACKiBill or a regular dollar bill if you so choose. Let's take this thing. I'm going to take this part. We're going to fold it down along that line right there. Okay, fold it over. I'm going to take this part and fold it halfway between that middle thing so you get ho right there. Fold that down. And we're going to take this and now fold it in half like that. Just line up those corners right there. Make sure they're good. Make sure this comes to a nice point right here. So you want to just massage that a little bit so it's good. Go to the other side right here, same thing. Let's make sure that those line up and make sure we get a nice point coming down there. And then we can just fold along the midline. Cool. I'm going to open this up and now fold this half in upon itself again. So that goes right to that midline right there. All right. And all along there till there. Okay. And then we're going to fold this one. The same thing with the other side. Let's do it. Boom. There we go. Okay. So far, so good. Now we're going to take this part, fold it down like that. And we're going to line up the other side, do the same thing. So get those kind of even. Okay. Then we're going to take this and fold the opposite way. So we want to make sure that that comes to a point right there. All right. And it lays down nicely and folds back like that. Okay. So do that with the other side. Take this part, unfold it, fold that the opposite way. And crib it together like that. Make sure it lines up like that. Okay. Now we're going to take this and fold it down upon itself. We're going to go to like the top of the circle right there. All right. So that lines up nicely. So just like that. Top of the circle right there. And take this part, we're going to fold this back up so that the top of the nose right here touches that part. And push it down like that. Flip it to the other side. Fold this in that way. Fold this in that way. Okay. I'm going to take this side, fold it back upon itself, open it up with our finger right here, press down like that, and push that part down. Same thing with the other side. We fold it back upon itself, halfway, like that. Open it up. This, what? Press it down, what? And there we go. We got the frog eyes. Okay, go back on this side. What we're going to do is we're going to take this, open this up, press it along there to get a point right there, and kind of make sure that that lines up with that point right there. Okay, we're going to also do it with the other side. Open up this side. Press that point. Make sure that lines up like that. And when it comes like this, then we're going to press it in and roll it down so that the feet come back like that. Okay, good. Take this part, fold it to line up right there. Then we're going to take this part, fold it back like that, and then press it down so it just flattens. Okay, same thing with the other side. Let's take this part, roll it along there. All right, fold it back like that, and then we press it down. Boom. Okay, turn it over. Let's fold this back up like that, and then fold it a little bit back like that. So we got a little zigzaggy part right there, all right, on that side. Then we're going to take this and push it in like that and down. Let's get one side, push it in and down. Other side. Fold it back onto its legs. Push it in like that. Push it in like that. Okay. And then we're going to fold this part down and go with a little bit of a diagonal. So it's comes up like that. Same thing, push it down and push it up like that. And what are you left with? There you go. Craniogami frog. Look at the little tongue, it's kind of cute. Ribbit. Now go and fold your brain to shape at craniogami.org.